Egúngún, be careful now, express you they go.
Egúngún, be careful.
Okay, quick one, story time. A couple of weeks ago, I was having a conversation with a Nigerian lady that stays in the UK. And we were discussing the topic Egúngún, the Yoruba masquerade. And she was like, oh, I don't like the Egúngún. Oh, they carry a familiar spirit. I don't like the Egúngún spirit. Stop it, Master Belmo. Would you remember that we had Aláàfin Ṣàngó? So when Aláàfin Ṣàngó became the Aláàfin of the old Oyo Empire, he thought about this. He didn't want to lose touch with his mother's lineage. You remember his mother is a Papa woman, and he wanted to keep in touch with her. And he said, okay, good. How do we invoke the spirits of my maternal ancestors? And that was what brought about the concept of the Egúngún celebration. He thought about it and said, okay, I could use clothes, dress somebody up, hide his identity from everybody, and it will be characterized with dancing, exhibiting of bravery, exhibiting of strength. And this was what Aláàfin Ṣàngó did. And from that day onward, it became a part of the Yoruba socio-cultural tradition. And the Egúngún festival was accepted as part of our culture. You remember that as a child, when you see the Egúngún, you would be scared, you would panic. Some of us even ran behind our sisters, our brothers, our moms, our dads, and be like, hey, Egúngún. But you know the truth, this Egúngún are expected to create a relationship between us and our ancestors, and mostly characterized with a lot of prayers. And that's when you see an Egúngún, you hear things like, oh, sorry, oh, Nidamu, Ramodun. The Egúngún is considered to be the visible manifestation of our ancestors who come back to the community of the living to celebrate, to bless us, and to make sure that we are all in unity. The Egúngún festival is our thing, is our culture, and we should love and embrace it. We should not demonize it. Like I used to tell you, I'm first a black man. I am an African. I'm a Yoruba boy. And most importantly, orúkọ tèmi ni Akínkúnmi Lásìsì. I identify with my own. I identify with my people. I identify with my culture. Ire o.